I'm good on a crybaby. Fucking on him, he ain't my baby. Drink on his pussy, he hydrated. I like a threesome with my lady.
It's me. And today is December 31st. This is my New Year's vlog. Right now, my hair is in cornrows, so I'm gonna put this wig on. Okay, cool. Do my makeup and everything. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be voice overing this part because, girl, they trying to give me a motherfucking copyright strike. So anywho, we're going to this pyramid party that's in Maine. It's gonna be real exclusive, real baddie, you know, and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what it is, period. I'm really excited for the new year, y'all, because new year, new beginnings. It's supposed to be. I think this is gonna be a really good year for me. Hey y'all, I'm back. I don't know what's going on. It's 5 o'clock and I need to get out of here in about 3 hours. Well, we all need to. I'm gonna install this wig, y'all. Y'all can watch me. Okay.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
So I did my hair, y'all. It's my little headband. It's okay. Y'all will see it. It's straight in the back, but I got it clipped up and stuff for my makeup. So I'm about to do my makeup right now. Her. Okay, y'all. So I'm almost finished with my makeup. It's still going. So I'm gonna have to blend down and blend my lips still. I'm wearing white, so I'm just waiting to put on the outfit and then having the blend. So yeah, but I think it's cute. I don't think I should have glossed my lips. No, I'm looking at it, but I got this really good gloss, y'all. Ooh, I can't even get it. Yeah. And for my hair, I'm gonna straighten it and then put on my outfit. So I'm actually really proud of my makeup. Now that I really look into it, it's like airbrushed. It looks so good. I'm so proud of it. Let me show y'all from the mirror. It looks so much better in person. Like, it looks so airbrushed, so like scrumptious, like. Okay, y'all, so I am ready. Ready. Y'all probably can't see what it's giving, but it's giving like real good, real bad, real rich. Hold on, let me show y'all. Okay, so by the way, they're lighting fireworks outside. Hello.
What it do? Yeah, the glasses is my man.
Jader.
Oh,
getting drunk.
I don't want that shit.
That's the mood. Hey guys.
You're nasty.
I don't like how we looking light skin like that. I'm black.
You looking nice, man.
I look a little brown.
I look dark as a motherfucker.
Okay, so tell them what this is. It looks nasty.
It's pimp juice.
Hemp juice. It smells like
Death.
It does smell like death.
Yeah, I know. Straight.
But did you die?
But what is it though?
I
You
ain't
supposed to
drinking
tell them what it is.
It's pineapple juice and regrets.
Let's try it.
Nasty. Just like I thought. Alright. I will indulge you in a shot because I told you I would take one. And we never got to do it.
So we're on the bus. Ooh, they just turned the lights off. We're on the bus and we are headed to a place called Maze. And then we should be there. So I'll let you know when I'm there. Okay, we made it, y'all. in the bathroom. But we're here. We'll show what it's giving. Okay, y'all, so to a bitch being fucking single. Oh, okay, well, period. Oh. I hate shots. Oh my God, where's water?
You need water?
I hate shots. I don't know. I never gave y'all a fit check, but I'm about to real quick. Okay, y'all, I'm a couple of shots in. I'm a little turned up. You see this makeup? You see this smoke? Wait, that's my nipple. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it's 11:25. Taylor's right here, but y'all can't see her because we dark. We are toe up. I still look pretty, so. No filter. Okay, I'm currently in the bathroom. I'm a little toe up. I'm not gonna lie, my edges coming out. It's about that time to go home because I'm messed up. I'm so messed up, y'all. I'm so messed up. And my phone's on 2% or 1%, so I'm not gonna hear from me until I go home anyway. Hey y'all, so my phone died at the end of that, and yeah, but I had fun. It gave the girls. So happy New Year's, y'all. I'm tired. I am hungover, and yeah, but this New Year will have many things to come.